aren't our social media posts converting? Why aren't our emails converting? The truth is, those channels are incredible for building awareness and interest, but the actual conversion happens on your product page. Well-designed product pages can improve customer confidence, reduce returns, and most importantly, increase sales. So today, I'm going to show you how to create jewelry product pages that don't just look good, but actively guide your customers toward clicking add to cart. So what goes into making a product page that works? 1. High quality, detailed images. Your images are the first impression, so include multiple angles, close-ups, and lifestyle shots that show the jewelry being worn. Quality is key here. The more your customers can see and feel the jewelry, even if they can't actually feel it, the more likely they are to buy. 2. Engaging product descriptions. Don't just list features, tell a story here. Why was this piece created? What makes it unique? Explain the materials and craftsmanship in a way that resonates emotionally with your audience. 3. Clear product specifications. Provide all the necessary details, dimensions, weight, materials, care instructions, and any other information that a potential customer would need to feel completely confident in making the purchase. These specifics reassure customers that they know exactly what they're buying, especially when they're buying online. 4. Customer reviews and testimonials. Reviews offer social proof, which is especially important for more luxury, not essential purchases like jewelry. Include photos, if possible, of customers wearing your jewelry and highlight those positive experiences that reflect your brand values. And number 5, size and fit guides. Jewelry can be hard to gauge in size online. Include detailed sizing guides, videos, or reference images to help customers visualize the fit. This minimizes uncertainty and reduces the likelihood of returns. Okay, now that you have those 5 tips, let's take a look at some real-world examples of jewelry brands that have mastered their product pages. The first one here is Mejuri, a modern and minimalist jewelry brand known for its clean, user-friendly e-commerce design. And here's a great example with the Heart Station bracelet. First, notice how they display multiple photos here. They don't just have a picture of the bracelet, but also of the bracelet on a model. This is key for jewelry where small details matter and you really need to be able to imagine how it's going to look on your body. Next, the price is clearly displayed right at the top, so there's no confusion when making a decision. It's important for customers not to have to hunt around for pricing information. They also do something really clever with their variants here, like the metal choices. These are displayed visually, allowing customers to easily toggle between them without needing to navigate away from the main product page. And the Add to Bag button stands out thanks to a high contrast color that draws the customer's eye immediately, making the purchase process as easy and seamless as possible. But it's not just about the visuals and the layout here. Mejuri also has an in-depth product description along with material specifications. This provides transparency and helps build trust with the customer. And one of my favorite parts about this product page is this red banner scrolling at the bottom, which clearly outlines the most important customer policies from returns to shipping. All right, the next example here is Tiffany Co, one of the most iconic jewelry brands. Here we're looking at the product page for their half pave diamond huggy earrings. One thing you'll notice right away is a customer service call out at the top, offering complimentary shipping and returns. This is a reassuring feature, especially for higher ticket items like these earrings right here, where customers might be hesitant about their purchase. Like Mejuri, Tiffany also offers multiple product views, including images that show earrings in a gift box. That helps customers visualize how the jewelry will look not only when it's worn, but also as a potential gift. And that enhances the emotional appeal of the product. And just like Mejuri, Tiffany makes sure the Add to Bag button is a high contrast color. ensuring that that action step, that thing you really want the customer to do, is front and center. And what's really special here, though, is the option to contact a client advisor. This personal touch can be a game changer for shoppers who might want additional information before purchasing. And even if you don't have quote unquote client advisors on call, there are still ways to mimic that same experience and give customers the option of contacting you right from that product page. Tiffany also makes it easy to shop by offering payment installments, which is a great option for customers who prefer to break down the cost of their purchase. And everything on the page here is visually well arranged. The layout is clean, uncluttered, and intuitive, allowing the customers to focus on what matters the most, which is the jewelry. And lastly, let's take a look at David Yurman and this product, the Pyramid Bangle Bracelet. One thing that stands out is how all the product views are accessible at once. There's no need to click through different images or even to scroll that far. Customers can quickly see every angle, which is especially important for jewelry, since again, shoppers want to view every detail before they commit to a purchase. David Yurman also includes clear sizing options with an easy-to-read size guide, and this helps mitigate any potential sizing issues, which is crucial, especially with rings, even bracelets, or necklace lengths. And a unique touch on this page is the special call out for extended holiday returns, which is great for shoppers buying gifts, and that added flexibility can really encourage a purchase during the holiday season. And here they include care and gifting information, offering customers tips on how to take care of the jewelry and ideas for how to present it as a gift. This adds extra value and elevates the shopping experience. And just like the other examples, there's a section for "You may also like," a simple but powerful way to increase average order value by suggesting complementary pieces. There you have it. By focusing on these key elements, the visuals, the descriptions, the specifications, reviews, sizing, customer care information, you'll create product pages that don't just look great, but actually drive conversions. If you want even more support to grow your jewelry brand, check out JoyDeck, the only marketing support and accountability platform designed specifically for emerging jewelry brands. On JoyDeck, you'll find a community of like-minded business owners, expert advice, and resources tailored to your unique needs. You can start your free 30-day trial today by visiting myjoydeck.com. Don't miss out on the chance to get guidance and support you need to take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more jewelry marketing tips. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're planning to apply these tips to your product pages. Until next time, happy selling.